Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to CarsCorp. I'm your host, Mark, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the 2025 Infiniti QX60. Infiniti announces a significant update to its appealing QX60 midsize SUV for 2025. Building on the foundation laid by the second-generation model launched in 2022, while the exterior of the 2025 QX60 remains familiar with its sleek bodywork and well-appointed cabin, Infiniti has introduced several upgrades to make the vehicle more attractive to potential buyers. The new Black Edition package available for the Luxe trim adds an eye-catching gloss black trim to roof rails, grille surrounds, and exterior badging, enhancing the vehicle's aesthetic appeal. Also included are striking black 20-inch wheels, illuminated Infiniti logos on the grille, and illuminated kick plates that exude sophistication. Inside, the addition of a black headliner contributes to an upscale atmosphere, complementing the QX60's reputation for luxury. The Luxe trim receives a significant upgrade to its auditory experience with the inclusion of a standard 17-speaker Bose sound system. Additionally, the QX60 introduces a modern key fob design that automatically locks or unlocks the vehicle as the driver approaches or departs, a convenient feature for busy lifestyles. The most notable change for the 2025 QX60 is the introduction of the V6 turbo engine first seen in the QX50. This turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine produces 268 horsepower, a reduction of 27 horsepower from the previous 3.5-liter V6 engine's output of 295. However, the new engine brings a noteworthy boost in torque with 286 pound-feet available, which is a 16 pound-foot increase over the retired V6. As the 2025 models roll out to dealerships this month, pricing reflects a slight increase across the various trims. The base pure trim starts at $51,550, which is up $550 from the previous year. The autograph trim, representing the pinnacle of luxury within the QX60 lineup, begins at $67,500. Subscribe to CarsCorp to stay up to date on the latest news about the upcoming cars and be among the first to experience the aesthetic blend of style and performance.